You guys? Yeah, guys. There's Tiger Lily, Ahoy Hoy, Lava, and Toga. Toga is a little boar, and he's the leader of these four guys. Somebody had to lead them because the neighbors killed their mom, Matilda, and slaughtered her knowing she had 8 little tiny suckling piglets. I tried to prevent it. I tried to let her out of her trap, and had a screaming fight with my neighbors, Pat McCrary and Travis, across the street. Then they moved the trap in behind and they killed 4 of the babies. So this is what's left. I've been feeding them for weeks now, and they're 8 weeks old now. They take care of themselves. They just come here and they get fed over the fence. And they come here from the forest. See, forest back here. And I try to tell them, you guys be quiet because mean, cruel neighbors will hear you and they'll come and kill you. Just don't know how people can do that. Sweetest little babies. They're so funny. They're all wet because I spray them. When it's hot today. So we got a little mud puddle going here. But Cares from Kona, they've donated food. Rainbow Friends, Mary Rose, they've donated food. This is Tiger Lily, so cute. And Buddha Mike has donated food. And I was feeding them before they started helping me, so they've made it to 8 weeks old. But they're 8 weeks old right now. I just love these little guys. Wish I could afford to feed them forever, and I'd just keep them around, but the neighbors will just kill them anyway. So after they eat, they take off. They go down there. They run down there. And they run over here. Run back in the forest. Scamper around. They're so cute. This one here, Toga, he's the leader. But they take care of themselves. They're pretty cute. I mean, they're doing pretty good.